How to make gluten-free chai carrot cake.
Whole foods plant-based, 184 grams or
2 cups of oat flour.
That we made in the dry grains container of the Vitamix Dry Grains carafe.
Vitamixes are super helpful. They can save you a lot of money.
This is 1 cup of oat.
Or 100 grams, 169 grams or
3/4 cup of coconut sugar. Our favorite is Trader Joe's brand. Other coconut sugars might have a different taste.
I'll have my favorite alternative in the video description if you don't have a Trader Joe's next to you.
110 grams or
Half a cup
date sugar, 106 grams,
of raisins. This is gluten-free Bob's bread milk flour.
60 grams.
1 gram of chai tea powder.
I'll have the linked in the video description for the chai powder that we use.
8 grams real vanilla.
Or alternatively, you could use 1 vanilla bean, and that would work
Even better. 2.1 grams or
1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder.
for first lavender for yeast-free cake recipe.
And this is great because it's healthy carrot cake oatmeal, and it's healthy vegan carrot cake, and low-calorie carrot cake.
2.1 grams or
1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and
7 grams apple cider vinegar as the acid to react with the base, which helps give it a lighter crumb structure.
mix it up for a moment.
We're using a KitchenAid. These are amazing.
And I want to put 1 bag of pre-shredded carrots in it. You can shred your own, but this is easy and convenient to have pre-shredded carrots around. Taking some of the time from carrot cake making.
It makes it great for meal prep and saves you time during your busy schedules to be more productive. Make sure you start off on a slow speed so you don't have a flour explosion. And we blended the oats in the dry grains container of the Vitamix to make our own oat flour. So it's so much fresher and you can control what's in it.
For our binding agent, we're going to grab 2 bananas.
The riper the bananas, the better, because they have more simple carbohydrates in them. They're also healthier, so it makes healthy vegan carrot cake even healthier.
Came back with the 2 bananas. See how these have so many spots on them? They're all peak sugariness.
And we're using organic bananas because it decreases your health risks.
Bring back on the mixer.
Mix for 1 minute or until homogeneous.
So, and then you can see how wet it is because it's just falling off.
You can use a spatula or an offset spatula works well also.
Okay, you put this in the tin right here.
The Bundt tin, it makes it look nice and pretty and makes it so it's easy to separate for meal prep. Makes it great for students going back to school, and because this is a budget-friendly recipe. Great for saving money.
So you want to make sure you get all the stuff out of the mixing bowl and into here. And then time to just smooth it out. Okay, so we have the oven preheated for 375 and it will be golden brown and caramelized around the edges.
It'll have the Maillard reaction occur around it to make it GBD, guys. Golden brown and delicious. How long are we baking?
We'll be baking it for 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Be careful taking it out of the oven, it'll be hot. Use oven mitts. I have my favorite oven mitts linked in the video description. If it doesn't come out, tap it on the top and then give it a little shake. And if it still doesn't come out, use an offset spatula to push around the sides to get it to release. Please like and share this video if you liked it so new people can experience how delicious, easy, healthy, and tasty vegan food can be.
Leave your comments down below.
Check out one of these videos if you like this, if you're looking for more amazing recipes and more.